My name is William Monroe, and this is my presentation on the motor mode of transport. The motor mode of transport is at a distinct advantage here in the United States, as we have the largest road network in the world with over 4.09 million miles of roads, 72% of which service rural areas, which make it easy to get commercial or industrial goods to any part of our country. These statistics are according to the Fremont Contact Carriers Incorporated. Because of the prevalence of this mode of transport, there must be many jobs in order to fulfill the needs of this industry. According to the Bureau of Transportation, roughly 9% of our total labor force deals in employment related to our transportation industries in the motor mode, with many other companies being involved indirectly. The motor mode of transport is important to the supply chain as it allows us to get to rural areas and other areas that were once inaccessible via rail and other modes of transportation. The motor mode of transport is also unique in which there are various sizes one can transport their goods, from tractor trailers to sprinter vans. The motor mode of transport has solutions for whatever one is trying to move from point A to point B. The thing that I find most unique about the motor mode of transport is that while it's one of the most modern forms of transportation that humanity tends to exploit, it also, in many ways, is the most ancient. Much like the supply caravans and wagons of humanity's past, the motor mode of transport is just a modern reinterpretation of this, with the machine replacing the beast. Before making this video, I was not under the impression that the motor mode of transport was as large as it is. I knew it was a major factor within our economy, but I did not realize just how big it truly was. The motor mode of transport also stands for an exciting future as automation and improved roadways around the world make for what could be a new golden age of trucking. In conclusion, the motor mode of transport has revolutionized the world and allowed us to bring all sorts of goods to places that were once inaccessible or very hard to get to. The motor mode also dominates our modern logistics industry, especially here in the United States. The motor mode of transportation should stand for a bright future and should only continue to be used as humanity comes to grow and find new opportunities. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching my video. I will link the music and video footage used in the description below.